In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change website fonts in Wix. Whether you're designing a new site or revamping an existing one, customizing your fonts can play a huge role in setting the tone and branding of your website. So let's dive in and make those changes step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Wix editor. From here, look around for a feature called Site Design. Now this is your gateway to a world of customization options that Wix offers for your site design. When you click on this, you'll see various settings that allow you to shape how your site looks. The key here is to find and click on Site Design. This will open up a side menu where you can adjust and personalize aspects of your website, making it perfect for your brand and style. Once you've clicked on Site Design, you'll want to look for the Text Theme option. The text theme is an essential part of your design toolkit on Wix. Clicking on Text Theme will guide you to all the text-related settings, where you can customize font styles, sizes, and weights. This area of the editor is crucial for ensuring consistency and coherence in all your site's text elements. It'll also help your website maintain a professional and polished look throughout, which is crucial if you're crafting a brand or trying to make your content stand out. After you've clicked on Text Theme, you'll be presented with a variety of font style options. This is where the fun begins. You can browse through their collection and choose a style that matches your brand's personality. Whether you prefer clean and sleek modern fonts, want to go bold with something more eye-catching, or perhaps something casual and inviting, this is your chance to experiment. Feel free to take your time exploring various fonts and styles until you find the one that resonates with your vision. Remember, you can always change it later if you need to adjust or tweak the look. Finally, once you've found the right font style that perfectly suits your site and aligns with your design goals, it's time to click Change Text Theme. This action will apply your selected changes across the site, updating all text elements to the new theme. And that's it. You've successfully changed the website fonts in Wix. Remember to preview your site to ensure everything looks as expected. It's always a good idea to double check before going live, especially after making design changes. Thanks for following along, and I hope these new fonts give your website the fresh look you were hoping for. Happy designing!